Good morning, Sunny students. Now we have come to that part where there are only two survivors, Amir's kite and a blue colored kite. Okay? And now seeing to the final event. So people were stamping their feet, clapping, whistling, chanting, Buburish, Buburish, cut him. Okay, that is the meaning of Buburish means to cut him. Cut him. I wondered if Baba's voice was one of them. So he was trying to search whether his father's voice could also be heard amongst the many people that were shouting and chanting and whistling. Music blasted, means music was being played very loudly. The smell of steamed mantu and fixed pakora drifted from rooftops and open doors. So I told you it is a family-oriented game or tradition where even the female folks get involved, they start preparing some food. So mantu is a kind of a food stuffed with meat and pakoras, of course, you know. So the aroma, the smell of this food was also traveling across and people could smell, and that added beauty to this tournament. But all I heard, all I willed myself to hear was the thudding of blood in my head. Okay, now what he actually desired, what he actually wished, and what he wanted to achieve. That thudding of blood in my head actually is an expression that all he wanted was to be victorious. Okay. All I saw was the blue kite. All I smelled was victory, salvation, redemption. Now for him, winning was very great. All he focused was on winning this competition. And once he wins this competition, then he will be free from deliverance. That is what salvation means. So the confidence which his father fails to have on his son, that will be delivered. Redemption means saving our souls from any kind of harm, like when the souls go to hell, purgatory. So, like that, he wants to save himself from the insults, from the shame, from being scorned at. So that is why for him it would be a great achievement. What a man acquires throughout his lifespan and what he wants to achieve at the end of his life. Salvation and redemption. I'll try to get the Hindi words so that in the Bhagavad Gita it has got some good significance. I'll just find out, and then the next class I'll explain salvation and redemption. If Baba was wrong and there was a God, like they said in school, then he let me win. See how he has connected God in his life. He says, if it is there written already that on this occasion he will be able to please his Father, then God the Almighty will help him to win. I didn't know what the other guy was playing for. So I don't know the reason why the other guy took part in this competition. Maybe just bragging rights. So maybe the other person was just taking part to brag, to show off, or to become very popular. But for Amir, it was not to gain popularity, it was to gain his father's love and confidence, his trust. He wanted that his father should be pleased, happy with whatever he does. But this was my own chance to become someone who was looked at, not seen, listened to, not heard. And suddenly, just like that, hope became knowledge. I was going to win, but it was just a matter of when. It turned out to be sooner or later. A gust of wind lifted my kite and I took advantage. Fed the string and pulled up. Looped my kite on top of the blue one. I held position. The blue kite knew it was in trouble. It was trying desperately to maneuver out of the jam. Jam means the problem which the blue kite was in. Okay, he had already entangled with Amir's kite and now he is on the verge of getting cut. So he was trying his best to save himself from this. The crowd sensed the end was at hand, means the end was coming. The chorus of cut him, grew louder. You're almost there, Amir Agar, almost there. Hassan was panting, means now it was time for Amir to win the competition and the blue kite was going to be cut. Then the moment came, I closed my eyes and loosened my grip on the string. It sliced my finger, means it cut my finger as the wind dragged it. And then I didn't need to hear the crowd roar to know. I didn't need to see either. Hassan was screaming and his arm was wrapped around my neck. Bravo, bravo, Amir Aga. In other words, we have already won. So the last part was very interesting to see how the blue kite was in great trouble and how with the help of the wind, Amir took full advantage and finally hacked his kite. So he said, I didn't have to wait for the crowd to cheer me up. By looking at the reaction of Hassan, he said, I came to know that I had won. And now he is very happy that his father will be very proud of him. So this is the end of the lesson. I will give you some more notes. But today, please prepare for your literature test. The chapter is The Adventure of the Engineer's Thumb. Thank you.